Hey guys, welcome to Programming Knowledge. This is a second tutorial of Kivy. So before starting off, let us discuss what we have seen yesterday. We have seen what is Kivy, why Kivy is used, how we are going to implement Kivy with Python. We are going to take what is required and code accordingly. Today we are going to see the understanding of Kivy, where we will see Kivy setup, initial setup of creating an application, then coding for initial step of creating an application, then code explanation will be provided for initial step, display of text called hello Kivy, then coding of displaying text in hello Kivy, and we'll be creating a button for an application, followed by code discussion on creating a button. So the first step of installing Kivy is we need to have Python installed in our system, as Kivy is a Python library. So in order to install Kivy, we need to have Python installed first. For setting up, please follow this below mentioned URL. It contains all the overall documentation with step-by-step process for configuring Kivy in Python. And if you are using Python, you have the configuring of Kivy available. If you are using Anaconda, there is a separate process for configuring Kivy in Anaconda. I'll show you the exact documentation which is available in Kivy website. Here we go. As you can see, if you are using Anaconda, you need to follow this step. You need to open the Anaconda Chrome and then use this code above, code which I have mentioned. This is the Anaconda Chrome. Here we go. This is the Anaconda Chrome. As it's taking a little bit of time to open. Yeah. As you can see, I have opened the Anaconda Chrome. So what I'll be doing in order to explain you, just copying this and pasting it over here. When I click enter button, what will happen is the installation of Kivy is done. As of now, like I have already installed Kivy, so I may not be able to use this again. Like I have already installed Kivy, so just follow this step. And similarly, if you are using Python, here you can see step-by-step process is available. You need to install first this command, then this command, then you have installing of Kivy. All the step-by-step process is available over here. If you have any doubt regarding Kivy, we have example set of programming guide over here, Kivy basics, controlling the environment, then configuring Kivy, architectural overview if you want to understand in depth about Kivy, how it works. Then you have events and properties, graphics, the Kivy language, all the stuffs are available over here. And a simple programming tutorial is available over here. You can see PwnGam tutorial and then simple paint app. Once you are very well stuffed with the learning, after learning Kivy, you can come and practice this game called PwnGam tutorial and a simple paint app. So as of now, first you do this stuff, install the Kivy. So after installing Kivy, let's understand and start coding with Kivy library in Python. The first step of any application is an application should open. For that, we need to use certain codes to open the application. The first step is we are going to, for opening the app, the first step is we are going to import app from kivy.app file. It's a class library file which is available in Kivy library. So we are going to use this code from kivy.app import app. As I have mentioned over here, kivy.app is a predefined module which is available in Python library. We import app from kivy.app for creating a window which is going to open. Next, after importing the app, we are going to run this app. Once I am going to run this app, the application should open. Let's go ahead and try this code. I'm going to open my Anaconda prompt. As I am using Jupyter Notebook for running my program, so I'm going to open that right now. It's taking a little bit of time. Let's wait for this to open. As it's taking a longer time to wait. Here we go. It's opened now. I'm going to click on go to Jupyter. So this is a notebook which I'm opening for running the application. I'm going to click on new and click on Python 2, which I'm using. Once we have opened, let's now run the code. I'm going to use that code from kivy.app import app. Make sure you should first start for importing an app. First you need to have the first letter should be in caps as it is a case sensitive. Then we are going to run the app by calling the app and parenthesis dot run. Let's now run this code. The expected output is a blank app. App should be opened. As you can see, all the stuffs are loading from Kivy library. Here we go. All the stuff is loading and we have finally got the app opened. As you can see, it's a blank app as we have not coded anything. So the blank app has been opened. Let's now go back and understand the code. What I have done right now is for opening an app, first like I'm using the app which is available in kivy.app class library. I have imported the app and then I have used the run command, which is an inbuilt method to run this app. Let's now go back to the slide and next step is we are going to display a text called Hello Kivy in that application. For that we need two things to import. The first step is again we are going to use this from kivy.app import app for importing the application, for opening the application. Then we are going to import the label for displaying the text. This will import the code for the label in which you want to display the hello text or hello world. Let's go and try this to run the application. So let's run the program from kivy.app import app, then from kivy.uix.label import label. This we are going to import the label where we are going to store our text in order to display in the program. So we have imported the two things which are required for our program. Right now we are going to create a class. If you have any doubt regarding classes and methods, you can view our other tutorials in our programming knowledge channel, where in a clear way classes and methods have been explained. Right now I'm going to create the class hello Kivy. I'm going to keep this hello Kivy and store the app in parentheses. Then I'm going to define the method by providing definition build and storing the self keyword. This self keyword refers as an instance to this class hello Kivy. Oops, I have to open this class and open this method by providing colon. Then we are going to create a variable where we are going to store the label in which our text hello world or hello Kivy will be defined. That is label equals to label, in bracket we are going to provide text equals to hello Kivy or hello world. So we have created a class in which we have defined the method, and under that we have provided hello Kivy text under a variable lbl. Now in order to get this hello Kivy in the text, we are going to use return lbl, which is the variable. So we have defined the class. Under that we have created a method called by using definition build self. Under that we have defined the statement hello Kivy. Now we are going to open a main method in which we are going to run our application, that is our program. For that we are going to use if underscore underscore name underscore underscore space equals to space colon underscore underscore main first of underscore underscore main and underscore underscore first of and we are going to provide colon to open. Now as we have opened our main program, that is main method, now we are going to call this hello Kivy, that is hello Kivy dot run. So this is how we have created our main method, just like we do in our other programs like C, C++, Java. Here we have defined the main method, that is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to and providing main under the first of codes. Okay, right now we just run the program. Let's see what is the output. Here we go. The output is hello Kivy. As expected, we have got our first text, that is hello Kivy program run successfully. So let's go back and understand what happened in the program. Okay, so what happened here is we have first imported the app which is going to open. Then we have used the label by importing the label from kivy.uix.label class file. After importing, we have provided the text equals to hello Kivy under the label which is taking from here, and then we have created the method in which we have defined this text and in and to define, and this method is stored in this class hello kiwi file. I mean the class hello kiwi program. Then we have opened the main method in which we have run the class file by using hello kiwi dot run. So once this statement is run, what will happen is it will come over here and it will go under the method, and it will take this hello kiwi and print the lbl which we have stored our text, that is hello kiwi. So this is how we are going to display the hello kiwi text. So now we are going to see creating a button. We have seen how the text is displayed. Now we are going to see how we are going to create a button. Similar to what we have done for creating a text, we are going to do the same for creating the button. Just the thing is, we need to import the button, just like what we did for creating a label. We imported the label from kiwi.uix.label. Similarly, we are going to import the button from kiwi.uix.button, and then we are going to create the class same as we defined the method for displaying a text. We are going to define the same method over here. Then we are going to create the label with the name button via btn. Then we are going to provide the text called push.pushme inside the btn. Then we are going to return the btn, and we are going to create the main method and run the class file. So let's go back to the code and run the same. Now I'm going to first import from kiwi.app, import app. Then I'm going to import from kiwi.uix.button, import button. Then I'm going to create the class with the name, let's say button app, and insert the app, just like what we did in the last program, and create the class by opening the using colon. Next I'm going to define the method stating def build and providing the self keyword that is an instance to the class. Then I'm going to create the label called btn equals to button. Then I'm going to provide the text equals text as push me. Then I'm going to return btn. So we have created the button by defining the button and the text as push me. Inside the button there will be a text called push me. So inside the method we have defined this button, and that method is in the class button app. Now right now we are going to run in the main, that is if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to apostrophe underscore underscore main underscore underscore, and by opening using colon. Now I'm going to run this class, that is button app dot, oops, I have missed the parenthesis, dot run. So let's leave some space. So here we go, we have created the main method and running the class, that is button app. So what will happen, it will execute the method which we have defined, that is button text push me, and it will return the button, that is it will provide the button. So let's see, are we getting the button as expected by running the program. So here we go, as expected we have created the button with push me text. So by just clicking on this button, as you can see, it's reflecting. So we have just created the button, we have not altered the button or provided the exact measurements of the button, so it's coming like that. In the coming tutorials, I'm going to teach you about how to make this button look so good with alterations and alignments of the button with small size, and also I'll be providing like certain stuffs on by just clicking on a button, like action is performed. Like for example, if I'm clicking on a button, some message should be shown like hello world, or some action is performed, in other words. So right for now, I'm going to end this tutorial by explaining the program. So we have imported the as a first step the app and button, and created the class with button name, the class name, and defined the method, and created a button like by providing the statement that is button and text equals to push me, and we use the return to return the button, that is this variable, and followed by we have created the main method to run this class. Hope the session was clear. Let's go back to the our PPT, what we to know what we have learned today. So today we have learned the setup of Kivy by going to this website, and that is https://kivy.org, which will be provided in the video description. Go to this and install the Kivy library in Python. Followed by we have seen the starting initial steps of coding. This is for opening the app. We use we use one import statement for opening an app, then followed by a method called app.run. Then we learned about displaying the text by importing the app and label, and creating the class and defining hello like hello Kivy in the text. Next, similarly, we created a button by importing the app, by importing the button, and creating the class and providing the text as push me inside the button, and running in main method. So hope the session was clear. In order to run a program, if you are following step-by-step process, which we know as algorithm, it's easy to understand what's happening in the program, and it will be easy to implement and write the codes very simple way, and you will be understanding how the program runs in and in the future it will be easy for you to create more complex programs for performing all types of for solving all types of problems. Right for now, I'm going to end this tutorial with a good note. Remember, practice a lot, practice whatever that has been taught till now. If you're practicing a lot, you'll be able to create programs easily. So practice matters a lot. Have a good day, guys. See you in the next tutorials. Bye.